Good afternoon, my dear children. Today we are going to learn our poem If. But there is a question mark in your mind. I know what is that. So I am going to clear your question mark. See students, we completed our first lesson. We completed even our poem also. But middle there is a lesson, The Soldier's Son, which I not yet taught you. After the poem I am going to teach you that lesson. First today we are going to learn poem If. Then who written this poem? If you are going to refer your textbook properly, you can't find out the name of the poet or poetess. Unknown poem who written? We don't know. But very beautiful poem there. What I written on board? See here. Giving is important in life. To give someone something, you must yourself be kind, strong and charitable. You must not be hesitant. Hesitant means what? You should not scare to anyone. See, regarding the poem, I would like to tell something to you. It's very famous though. It's in Hindi. I will convert it to the English to you. कल करे सो आज करे सो अब, क्षण में होगा प्रलय, फिर करेगा कब. See, whatever good work you want to do tomorrow, you do it today itself. There are famous lines in Hindi. What is those famous lines? कल करे सो आज करे सो अब, क्षण में होगा प्रलय, फिर करेगा कब. Whichever good work you want to do tomorrow, you do today. And which work you want to complete today itself, you must have to do now itself. Why? Again these lines are telling, क्षण में होगा प्रलय, फिर करेगा कब. What will happen in the next moment we can't tell. We won't say after 1 hour what will happen, because that is not in our hand. It is not in our hand. So whichever good work you want to do, you must have to do soon. You should not make it late. Especially if you want to give someone good things. If you want to share something good with anyone, with someone else, then don't delay. Share it soon. Make happy for third person also, for that person also. So the poem is telling the importance of giving. See what we have to first. हम न सोचे हमें क्या मिला है, हम ये सोचे किया क्या है अर्पण. You don't think what I will get. You should not think that what I will get. First you think what is possible my hand to give for other. What is possible? Which work I have to do for other. Whichever things I have to give for other, you give some kind words. You give your time. Just by giving someone money or gold or house or cloth, or those are becoming happy. No, it's your imagination. If you are giving your small time also, if you spend your small time also with them, no, those are going to become happy. First learn to give, first learn to share. You must have to give your hands like this way. Always keep your hands like this way. Don't show your hands like this way. Don't ask. Try to give. कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्य मा फलेषु कदाचन. Do your work. Whatever work there, you do it. But don't think that after doing that work, I will get something. First giving you learn. And if you are trying to give something to someone, at that time, you must have to be kind. I had given. Don't tell. No need to tell. God there. God will recognize you. Surely one or other day you will get reward for your work. But first what you have to learn? First you have to learn for giving. Giving is important in life. It's very big thing in our life. But we are totally opposite by giving. We are using the opposite word. Giving opposite word there. Taking. We are ready to take. But we are never ready to give. We know how to take, but we don't know how to give. And whenever good things you are going to give for anyone else, for someone else, then you should not be delayed. You must have to give those things as early as possible. Giving is very important in your life. And when you are giving, you should not be proud. You should not be cruel. You must be humble at that time. You must be strong at that time. You must be kind at that time. The person who is taking from you something, that person has to become happy whatever you are giving to him or her. So first what we have to learn? First we have to learn to give. It is a very important thing. It is a very pleasure thing in our life. If you are giving something to someone, that person is going to become happy. The things which we are giving for anyone, those are not permanent things. Nothing is permanent in this world. Nothing is permanent. And special thing I would like to share with you. See students, anyone don't have the date of death. We don't know what is the next. Just we are planning and planning and planning and planning. Sometimes our plans are going to become true if we are working hard. But we won't give the guarantee of the next moment. Within 5 minutes it may be rain. Will you tell? No, we don't know. Because who is the creator? God is the creator. Those things are in his or her hand. What we got, we must have be satisfied with those things. What we not got, don't cry for that. And whatever we got, try to share with everyone. If you are happy, make others also happy. If you are crying, hide your pain with you. Don't cry in front of anyone. Don't try to give pain to anyone. Make the person happy with your attitude. So, what I want to tell you regarding the poem, I told all to you. Next video, I will teach you poem. Till then, take care.